don't want to destroy public lands, because everybody else has a different way that they want to enjoy it, and we want to make sure that we're leaving it better than we found it. So if you see some trash, pick it up. If you see meadows and other things, don't be a ding dong and ruin stuff for all of us. Enjoy it, leave it better than you left it. So thank you for coming to my TED Talk today.
And I will include the GPS coordinates of where this trail starts in the comments below, so that way if you guys want to do the same trail, it's one easy click, you can get right to it.
I don't know what it is. I would say Cuba and Silverton are probably my two favorite places in the world to camp, because the sky seems so big and you could literally touch the stars. The cool part about exploring, we have a mountain goat with us today, so she found us a cool little overlook.
Yeah, that's the best part.
I don't care what they say, New Mexico has some blue skies, some gorgeous sunsets. If you've never been, come visit.
Yes, just sit here all day.
Mm-hmm.
There's water down there.
Oh my goodness. Let's see what we have over the ledge. This will be our surprise after, because I don't want to die.
Coming up the trail, there's a couple spots where the road will fork. Sam will show you here on the right command. You can take the right or left. They both just make a little bit of a different loop, and they tie back into each other up on the mountain. So when you get up here, don't get scared. It's all easy peasy. You'll get to the same spot.
If you miss it and you didn't take a left in Albuquerque, you'll be okay.
Makes a big loop.
Land is overgrown, the
And then, once you get up here,
Oh, the glory.
We have reached our destination.
and so you have miles of visibility and all of the glory from Jesus.
You could.
Has a ladder.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Anybody?
Do you want to help with some light there, homegirl?
Excuse me, my associate is not going to look.
We're gonna see how good this lighting does.
Yeah.
It is muddy.
Colt Miner in a second.
It looks like this one they just stopped
Here.
basically at the end of the vein. And this one they chased that vein a long ways. So you can see the edge of it right there. It is muddy. Like, look. Not sure how far it goes. Do we keep going? It's like super, super muddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, go or yeah, no.
Yeah, go.
Okay, the ladder is like precariously launched into the mud. Just FYI. I'm putting that out there.
Okay.
Okay. It's not the going up part, it's the coming down part that's gonna be.
Is this where we put that you're a trained professional?
Sketch. Alright.
Cole was the only one who came prepared.
And I am definitely.
Clay mud.
Yeah.
It's clay.
We'll take your word for it.
I wonder if it ties into the other one that went to the left.
The other road or the other tunnel?
Yeah. Because there's another left right up here.
Oh, yay, right.
I thought you were right behind me. Sorry. Shanna goes into mine without headlamps.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna have to. Oh. Well, it sucks.
Man down!
Man down.
Cole's becoming one with the earth at the moment.
I am. Just call me old slippy mudfoot.
And Shanna's out here in her off-road approved flip-flops.
Yeah.
Right?
Winner, winner, chicken
I was gonna
dinner.
say she has the most grip of all of us.
Uh-huh. I'm telling you, they're like tires on the bottom. They really grip like tires.
Right?
Hey, associate. How's that light doing over there?
Good one coming down.
We're there for a split
Here,
second.
Shanna, I'm gonna hand you this. You wanna check this one out? Yeah. Yep, I'm gonna be buddy. That's just what's happened.
Commit, baby.
It's official.
Commit.
You're doing it for the Instagram?
This one ends right here.
Aw, that's fun.
Quitter.
Well,
You can still see a tiny bit of copper in here. You can tell how dense it is by how echoey.
ooh, it's like harmonics.
Yeah.
Do it again with the deep voice.
What are y'all? Let's hear y'all sing.
Yeah, do it. Do it, do an Elvis.
I'm Elvis.
Yeah.
Let me catch my breath.
Yeah. Can't be Elvis when you're all muddy.
Okay.
So if you do come here, don't mess it up. Take care of it. Take
Pack, clean up your trash, pack out your toilet paper, all the things. Please be grown-ups. Your mom's not here with you, or even if she does, Clean it up yourself.
Are you missing rain? Do you need rain? Because my assistant will bring the rain. And apparently the thunder, because we're trying to make it out of here without dying. Hey Rayman, how's it going for you?
Little wet, they say. Slight chance of rain.
So if you're coming riding with us and it says 5% chance of rain, multiply that by like 100 because it's gonna turn into a lot of rain.
It's raining, Samantha.
It's raining, it's pouring.
We didn't bring a lick of our rain gear.
Tim asks, do you have our frog togs? No, I don't have anything.
It hasn't rained in 300 days. Why would you need it?
So right now, Colt and Shanna are rocking this trip because they're in an enclosed cab.
With wipers.
Windshield wipers, windows. So in case you're wondering, enclosed cab vibes.
Open cabs here.
We're gonna do a big fat nothing burger for us, but that's okay. Tim didn't shower this morning, so we're gonna do that. It really is pretty funny though.
Yeah.
I bring the ruckus and the snacks, he brings the rain.
Now booking 2026 season. If you're looking for a monsoon season, hit me up.
I don't know. Oh, son of a...
It's funny watching do that. Little raindrops on your legs.
Oh, Lord. Good times, my friends. Good times. We haven't seen the footage yet, so if it looks like a fishbowl. Oh, fine. Paybacks, homie. Paybacks.
Yep.
Oh, wow. That one was huge.
Great boy. With this being a dry season, except for today, all the animals have actually been packing up and going down into town. I mean, they've been having elk and deer and bears and raccoons and everything else. It's kind of crazy.
So if you're out in the trails in Cuba or down in town, be very careful.
Ah! That backfired.
If you can make it rain, I can bring the corny jokes,
Yeah.
and it'll be totally worth it. But this isn't breaking up.
Note to self, keep the vehicle leaning towards the mountain.
Hard passenger, hard passenger.
So please explain to me what it feels like to be inside the closed cab. Not so much on this side. Ah.
When we started, I was jealous of the half windshield. Like we didn't like fresh air.
No.
It comes with fresh water.
Not so much here or here, but here.
The joy of those side by sides. So good.
We're getting extra air.
All right, outsiders, that wraps up our day out on the trails showing Colt and Shanna, our awesome backyard. We're so excited.
Super cool. Yeah, it was rad. Thank you guys for taking us.
And they get to take part of it home with them because it rained. The first time in like 300 days.
So, thank you guys. If you do not follow Colt Builds It, please do that. Head over to their channel, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you out on the trails next time. Thanks, guys.
See you guys.